Hi guys, the biggest question many students ask is, sir, in CA inter exam, should I write MCQ first or descriptive? Which works for me? Let me ask you a question. Let's say in class tea break, I'm giving everybody tea only, no coffee. Do you think everybody is going to take it? Or let me ask in a different way. I'll ask you, do you like coffee or tea, guys? Some of you will pick coffee, some of you will pick tea, some of you will tell within coffee, sir, there are variants, sir. I like it mild, some of them will like it strong. Within tea you have this green tea, black tea and milk based tea and so many variations. Some of them will tell, sir, I don't like both, sir. I only have Horlicks, sir. I am a Horlicks student. Okay. So each person has their preference. Am I going to judge them based on what you're going to drink? It's your choice. There will be somebody who doesn't like any of this. They will be happy with water, correct? So how can I tell you guys that for all of you that I should have only one approach, do MCQ first and then do descriptive questions? Are you getting what I'm saying, guys? Each person will have a customized approach. Everyone cannot follow this. If somebody is telling you do MCQ first, for them MCQ is first. So then what should I do, sir? I will give you three options from my experience of interaction with students and feedback from students who have cleared, which has worked for them. From this you pick what you think is comfortable for you. First, the most common approach, I'm going to go with the most common approach which most students do is, they start off with MCQ, they finish it, get that confidence of 20-25 marks and then proceed next to descriptive questions. Some students do the opposite. First they will write and finish all the descriptive questions and then in the last they go to MCQ. I personally, if you want, you can prefer this. I personally don't prefer this because MCQ in my view is a scoring area. Keeping that to the last is going to be with more stress. 6 to hit of the first ball is easier, 6 to hit of the last ball is easier. Last ball only is difficult, so don't keep the easy area to the difficult and make something easy like MCQ difficult. Sir, what is the third option? I call this a mixed option. This is what I will do if I am in your place. If I have to write now the exams again, I will do the mixed option. I will first read everything which everybody does, read all the MCQs, read all the descriptive. I will start off with a few MCQs, finish some 10 to 20, then go and write 1 or 2 descriptive questions. Then again I will come back and finish the balance MCQ, then I will go and finish the descriptive. What happens in this is, you are just switching, so you will again, what will happen is, you are not going to waste a lot of time in one segment, you will just keep switching. And one more thing, advantage of doing MCQ first here in option 1 or in option 3 is sometimes when you don't know the answer, maybe after 2 hours or 2.5 hours, it will suddenly strike you, yes, I remember the answer now. So this is what you have to do. I have given you options, you pick. If you feel there are more other options also, sir, this is much more better than all these 3. Let us know in the comments. Whichever approach, if I feel is more better, I will just pin that comment for others to see. So that's it, guys. It's not about coffee or tea. It's about pick what you want. Whichever method works for you, go ahead, score well. Thank you.